We all know that your pool's filter is a key component to keeping your pool clean and safe for you and for your family. So it's important to maintain your pool filter to make sure it's as effective and efficient at cleaning for years to come. In this video, we'll discuss how to maintain sand filters, also known as media filters, and cartridge filters. If you have a sand media filter connected to your pool, you will need to change the media in the filter as the sand will lose its coarseness over time and with use. We recommend changing the media every 5 years. This will not only optimize the filter's cleaning ability, but will also keep from straining the other parts of the pool system. Come into Poolwerx to talk to one of our pool experts about sand and glass media and the maintenance routine. Joining me today is one of our pool experts.
Once a year, you should apply a filter degreaser to your sand filter. This will remove any body fats or oils from sunscreen that may have accumulated. We recommend using Vitalize filter degreaser annually to tackle this buildup. There are a few different steps to consider when maintaining a cartridge filter. With cartridge filters, it's important to hose out the cartridge at least once every 1 to 3 months. And while this maintenance routine is a little more frequent than what's required for a sand filter, it is quick and easy to do. And the regular cleaning just helps your cartridge last longer.
We recommend changing the element in your cartridge filter every 18 months. This will keep your whole filter system running effectively. Come into your local Poolwerx for hassle-free replacements. Poolwerx offers a range of filter products for DIY maintenance jobs and services, including media changes, filter replacements, and installations. Get in touch with your local Poolwerx experts to discuss your pool's maintenance needs. If you don't know where your local Poolwerx is, simply click on the link above to find out.
And for more pool smart tips and DIYs, check out the rest of our pool problem solving series.